Welcome to this beginner line dance. This is I Got Better by Morgan Wallace. It's a 32 count, full wall dance, no tags, no restarts. So I'm going to turn around and show you how it's done. These are the first 8 counts. So we're going to take a step to our right. So we're going to step out, come together, stepping forward on the right, come together, stepping out to our left, come together, stepping forward on our left, come together. So let's put that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out together, forward together, out together, forward together. Now let's put the counts to that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Those are the first 8 counts. The next 8 counts, we're going to do 2 grapevines. We're going to go to the right, and then we're going to do a left grapevine with a turn. So, we're going to step out on the right, then we're going to come behind on the left, then we're going to step out on the right again, and bring the left to meet. The left grapevine has a quarter turn to the left wall, so we're going to step out to the left. We're going to come behind the right, we're going to turn on the left, and then we're going to come together with the right. So let's put those 2 grapevines together. 5, 6, 7, 8. Out, behind, out, together, out, behind, turn, together. Now let's put the counts with that. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, so those are the 2 8 counts. Let's put those all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. Okay, now we're moving on to the next 8 counts, which is a K step. So we're going to do a K step down the right hand side. So we're going to step diagonally with the right leg, stepping out, bring the left leg to meet. Then we're going to go back to where we came from with the left leg, so stepping back diagonally, right leg to meet. And then we're going to take the right leg back diagonally, left leg to meet, and then come back to where we came from, left leg to the right. So we're effectively creating a K shape on the floor. So we're going to go out together, back together, forward together. And do that with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So let's put those 3 sets of 8s together. From the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn 7, 8. K step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice, we're nearly at the end. These are the last 8 counts. We're going to come out with the right and we're going to do a shoulder roll, okay? So shoulder roll like so. So let me just show you what that looks like. We're going to come out 1, 2, 3, 4, okay? So we're going to step on the right. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we're going to add in 4 hip bumps. Again, showing you what that looks like. We're going to go bump, 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 bump. Okay? So those 4 hip bumps, we're going to go right, left, left. So let's put that together. We're going to go from the top, roll and roll, hip bump, 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 bump. Now let's put the counts to that. We're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the routine. So let's put the whole thing together from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, turn and 8. Okay, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and step. 2, 3, 4, hip bump. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so that's the whole dance. Now it is a little faster than that, so we're going to pick the pace up. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hey, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll, and roll. Hip bump. 6, 7, 8. Okay, so now we're going to do all 4 walls, no stopping, to the actual speed of the song. You ready? 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll, and roll. Hip bump, 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 bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll. Hip bump, 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 bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll. Hip bump, 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 bump. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grapevine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, step. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And roll. Hip bump, 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 bump. Nice. That is the entire song. I hope you enjoyed that tutorial. If you want more, make sure you do subscribe to the channel. New tutorials come up every single week.